Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and in a very good health. Now, welcome to our maths class. Today, in this maths session, we are going to study lesson number 8, multiple and factors. These are the two topics which we are going to study. But today, we are going to start with the first topic, that is factors. Now, what is a factor? When one number divide another number, exactly first number is called a factor of the second number. Now here the example is given, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. That means here you have to find the factors of 21. So now if we will divide 21 with 3, so we have to see that in 3 table 21 comes at what time? So 3 sevens are 21. So 21 minus 21, we will get the answer as 0. That means when after dividing two numbers, the remainder comes as 0, that means that the divisor is the factor of the given number. That means 3 is the factor of 21. Now in 7 table also we get the 21. That means 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. That means 3 and 7 are the factors of 21. In a simple language, if I will say that you have to remember that the number 21 comes in which table. That table number will be the factor of the given number. So I have written here some numbers in which the number 21 comes. Now in 3 table it comes, 3 sevens are 21. In 7 table also it is come. If I will reverse it, 7 threes are 21. Then in 1 table, and now remember one thing, 1 is the table in which all the number is going to come from 1 to 100. So 1 will always be the factor of any number. So 1 multiplied by 21 is also 21. That means the number which are given here, that are 1, 3 and 7 are the factors of 21. That means 21 comes in all these numbers. Now one more example I am going to give you. Now we have to write the factors of 18. That means we have to write the numbers in which table does the number 18 comes. So now in 1, as I said you, 1 multiplied by 18 will be 18. Now in 2 table 18 comes at what time? 2 nines are 18. Then in 3 table at what time it comes? 3 6 are 18. So now these number 1, 18, 2, 9, 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. I hope students you have understood what are the factors. It is very simple. Just remember that when the number is given 18, now you have to remember and you have to learn that in which table does the number 18 comes. That numbers will be the factors of that 18. Understood, students? Okay, so student, let's start with our writing work. Remove your maths notebook and take a new page. Write today's date and write lesson number 8, multiples and factors. Take a new page and start writing the new chapter. Okay, in that give the heading, write the name of the chapter, and the first thing which we have learned today was the factors. So you have to write all these things. When one number divides another number, exactly first number is called a factor of the second number. Example, here you have to write the factors of 21. So you have to see that in which table does the number 21 comes. So here it is given already, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. That means you have to see that in 3 table 21 comes at what time. So if you will divide it, so 3 sevens are 21. We have got a remainder as 0. So when the remainder comes as 0, that means the number is the divisor, or the number is the factor of the given number. So 3 is a factor of 21. This much you have to write in your book. Then take a new page and write on the margin problem set 32. Copy the first question. Write the factors of the following numbers. First one is 8. Answer factors of 8. That means in which table does the number 8 comes? 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then second question, write as it is. I have wrote in a very neat and tidy handwriting. Okay. Now second one is 5. So answer factors of 5 means in one table and 5 tables the number 5 come. Third one 14. Answer factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, 14. Fourth one 10. Answer factors of 10 1, 2, 5 and 10 means in these numbers or in these tables the number 10 comes. Fifth one 7. Answer factors of 7 1 and 7. Next one sixth one 22. So factors of 22 1, 2, 11, 22. Then seventh one 25. Answer factors of 25 1, 5, 25. Then eighth one 32. Answer factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Ninth last one 33. Answer factors of 33 are 1, 3, 11 and 33. This way you have to complete your problem set. I hope students you have understood the topic factors and you have to complete your book on time. I will see you in the next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye.